Let's talk about creating reports in QuickBooks. To view reports, look at the left navigation bar, click on Reports. It will take you to the Report Center so you can see all the reports available to you. It groups them by relevance. So here you can look at your company snapshot. You can look at your balance sheet statement here, profit and loss, AR agent summary, expenses by vendor summary, and AP agent summary. These are reports that QuickBooks recommends that you look at least. There are other reports you can look at, but these are the main ones. The biggest one that most business owners want to look at is the profit and loss. And that's because it tells them their income and the expenses over the time period they have chosen. So here, this is from 1/1 to 10/7. So we can see that this business here has had total income of $10,200 for this year. So it's a great way to see, like, okay, if you want to know how much income I've made, the profit and loss statement will show you. And then we'll see that it has also spent $5,327, and then it has miscellaneous expenses. So it's net income, basically what he has gotten from received from the business and what he's taken out from the business. He's netting about $1,642. So from the looks of this looks like it's just a side business. It's probably someone who has a full-time job and every now and then, taking a job here and there. But still, you still want to see how your business is doing. To go back to see other reports, you want to go back to reports and then click on the report you'd like to see. So now let's look at the balance sheet statement, which tells me my assets, liabilities, and my equity stake in the business. So here I can see what I have in my bank account as of October 7, 2017. This person has $1,201. If you're reconciling your statements regularly, this should be your actual book balance in your business, because it should have, the transactions you've downloaded, and plus if you've written any checks since then, it will show you what the balance is, as long as you keep your books up to date. So this will show you your balance. This will show you what people owe you. So that it says people owe you $5,281. It shows you assets you purchased. Here you see a truck hasn't purchased. And then any liabilities owed. So we see accounts payable is $1,602. The equity is what is left for the business owner. So we can see this business is not doing very well. They have negative equity, so which means over time they have been losing money. So to view other reports, we go here, back to reports. And then let's say we want to see who owes us money, and then we'll have to look at the accounts receivable summary report. So that's this report right here. We click there, and then we can see who owes us money and how much they owe us and how late they are. And then we can choose to send them invoices. So we go back to reports. Let's see who we owe money. So we go to the accounts payable agent summary report. And then we can see, oh, we haven't paid our insurance. We haven't paid, obviously we've entered this information in QuickBooks beforehand. So like, wow, we have 1,602 due. So we need to get on that right away and pay them, because we don't want to be, 30, 60 days late. And then if we want to know how much we're spending with each vendor, kind of know which vendor relationships to pursue, you can, or we should request discounts from. You can look by expenses by vendor summary, and it'll tell you, how much you spend with each vendor. So that's really most of it. The other reports you can look at, but like I said, the recommended reports are the main ones that you really need to be looking at.